In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend backgrounds in Affinity Photo. We'll start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to work on. The goal is to extend the background seamlessly so you can make a wider or taller canvas without it looking obvious. First, pick the crop tool from the toolbar on the left, or press C on your keyboard. Instead of cropping inward, click and drag the outer handles of the crop box outward to expand the canvas. You'll see new space appear around your image. This area will show as transparent, which is exactly what we want for now. When you're happy with the extra space you've added, go up to the top and click Apply to lock in the new canvas size. Next, switch to the rectangular marquee tool on the left, or press M. We're going to use it to sample part of the existing background. Click and drag to select a thin strip of background that sits right next to the transparent area. The tip here is to choose a strip that represents the background well. Something uniform, like sky, wall, or floor texture, usually works best. With that strip selected, duplicate it onto a new layer by pressing Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on a Mac. You now have a copy you can move independently. Press Ctrl+D or Command+D to deselect so you can move freely. Switch to the Move tool from the left toolbar. Click your duplicated strip and drag it across the transparent area to cover the gap. If it doesn't reach the edge, use the bounding box handles to stretch it horizontally or vertically as needed. Small stretches typically look natural, especially with simple backgrounds. Keep an eye on any repeating patterns and try to align edges so the transition looks clean. If your background has gradients or subtle texture, nudging the strip slightly or choosing a slightly different slice can make the blend look more convincing. Repeat that process. Marquee a thin strip near the transparent edge. Duplicate it, deselect, and move it until you've filled all the empty areas. You can work one side at a time, and if you're extending multiple directions, just continue the same approach around the image. Varying the strip thickness a little and selecting from different spots helps avoid visible banding. When everything is covered and looks natural, you're done. Congratulations! You've extended your background in Affinity Photo using simple tools while keeping the result clean and professional.